Business Calculus, Topic 1.2, number 27. A real estate company builds 40 houses and sells them for $200,000 each. If they plan for smaller houses, they can build 60 homes and sell those for $160,000 each. Well, find the number of homes that would maximize the revenue and find the largest revenue itself. Okay, well, we are looking at finding the revenue. Revenue is found by multiplying price times demand. So we need the demand function. Well, the demand function will be linear. So Q equals MP plus B. And we need points. Now the output for a demand function is items. In this particular case, we're talking about homes. So 40 homes. And the input is price. And that'll be $200,000. Furthermore, 60 homes, we can build those for $160,000. Okay, from this input and output, I'm going to build my linear equation. So let's first find slope. Slope will be 40 minus 60 all over 200,000 minus 160,000. This gives me on top a negative 20 and below a positive 40,000. Okay, now let's divide those. So what I have is a 20 being divided by a 40,000. And that's scientific notation. That means I have to move my decimal over a total of 4 times, and that'll give me 3 zeros. So negative 0.000 and then the 5. Okay, and that's my marginal rate. Okay, now let's put all that in. Y minus Y1 into the point slope formula, should I say. Alright, so my Y1 is going to be 40. My slope is going to be negative 0.005. Let me see. Oh, I need one more zero. Okay. And the input X is going to be 200,000. So from here, let's raise that a bit. 40. And multiply through, we get 0.005 X. And a positive, negative times negative is positive. And we're going to have our 200,000 times our last answer. Let's see, second function answer. And that'll be 100. Add 40 to both sides. And we get Y equals negative 0.0005 X plus 140. Okay, now this is the demand, Q, and X is going to be price. So we'll put P there, 140. Alright, now from there, we're going to get our revenue function by multiplying price times the demand function, which is negative 0.005 P plus 140. And revenue function ends up being, let's raise it up a little bit, negative 0.0005 P squared plus 140P. So the price that will maximize the revenue will be the opposite of B divided by 2 times A. In this case, this is going to be negative 140 all over 2 times the negative 0.005. Okay, and let's figure that out on the calculator. Okay, so we'll take the 140, divide that by 2, get an answer, and then divide that answer by 0.0005. Okay, and the price is $140,000. Okay, so that's the price they need to sell this for. Furthermore, my maximum revenue, okay, I want to find the largest revenue. Well, it says here that the revenue function is equal to negative 0.0005 p squared plus 140 times p. Well, if I put in the $140,000 in for p to my revenue function, I will get negative 0.005 times 140,000 squared plus 140 times 140,000. Okay. All right. Now let's put all that in the calculator. Okay. Clear. And what I want to do is I'm going to say let 140,000 be stored into the letter X. Okay, now for my letter X, I'm going to sort of negative 0.0005 X squared. That'll represent my P squared here, plus 40 times 140 times X. Okay, and what I get is 98 with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's close to $10 million in revenue.